Mr. Speaker, Sir, I thank all the honorable members who have taken part in this discussion and given their good suggestions on the electoral reforms. Full stop. Sir, this bill was first presented in 1985 when the Punjab elections were held. Full stop. Again, an ordinance was issued and it was allowed to lapse in 1991. Full stop. The then Minister for Law and Justice, Shri Goswami, wanted a detailed electoral reforms bill. Full stop. He appointed a group under his chairmanship who had gone certainly deep into the matter. Full stop. This group also discussed this matter, which is a part of the bill that is pending before the other house. Full stop. It was prepared in 1991 by him. Full stop. Again, the Election Commission discussed this with all the political leaders and they had come to the decision that it should be passed. Full stop. The government issued the ordinance. Full stop. Because of holding of the Punjab elections, there was no way for us except to go in for this ordinance. Full stop. In the recent elections, the violence has taken the lives of so many people. Full stop. Close.